and try to catch the smallest part of the football, which is the point. By concentrating and fixating on the point of the football, you increased your reception efficiency by over 200% by focusing on the point. So this drill, as you come to me, run, focus on the point, tuck it in. I want to see you look it in. I want to see you over-exaggerate the look in. I want to see your head go down to your armpits. Here we go. Hit. Hit. Good ball, stay down here, stay down here, stay down here. Hit. Stay down here. Hands up, baby. Hands gotta be ready. Hands gotta be ready. Hit. There you go. There you go. I didn't say hit. Hit. There you go. Look it in, look it in, look it in though. Look it in. Hit. Yeah, that's where you look it in. That's where you look it in. See? Hit. Look it in, look it in. Look, get that face mask down and look it in. Hit. Hands too close to his body. He ran with his hands real close. Get him out here. Hands too close to your body. Get him out there. Hit. Look it in, look it in. You gotta tuck it in, son. Tuck it in. You gotta see. Hit. There you go. Hit. Tuck it in, man. Tuck it in. Get it hit. Look it in, man. Look it in. Look it in. Look it in. Okay, how you guys doing? Anybody here want